English Conditionals for relationship advice. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English conditionals, but with a twist. We're going to explore how conditionals can help you give advice and support to your friends and family. This is a very practical and real-life application of conditionals, especially when it comes to personal relationships. Before we jump into specific examples, let's quickly review what conditionals are. They are sentences or phrases in English that express a condition, followed by a result. We have different types: 0, first, second, third, and mixed conditionals. Today, we're going to use them in the context of providing advice or support. First conditional is used to talk about real and possible situations in the future. It is often used in giving advice to friends or family about future scenarios. For example, your friend is worried about an upcoming exam. You might say, if you study hard, you will pass the exam. Here, the condition is studying hard, and the result is passing the exam. Second conditional is used for hypothetical or unlikely situations in the present or future. It's useful when giving advice about situations that are unlikely but still possible. For instance, your sibling is dreaming about a vacation but thinks it's unlikely. You might advise, if you saved a little money every month, you could go on your dream vacation. The condition is saving money, and the hypothetical result is the dream vacation. Third conditional is used to talk about impossible situations in the past. It's often used when reflecting on past decisions or events, suggesting a different course of action that could have been taken. For example, your friend regrets not applying for a job opportunity. You might say, if you had applied for the job, you might have got it. The condition is applying for the job, and the impossible result, because it's in the past, is getting it. So there you have it. These are just a few ways you can use English conditionals to give advice and provide support to your loved ones. Remember, the power of conditionals lies in their flexibility to cover future, present, and past situations, whether real or hypothetical. We hope you find these tips useful in your daily conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English.